undercover for the bad guy and also a detective. So she works in both worlds, the bad world and the good world, to balance the two.
The character I'm playing in the movie, I'm a father, I'm Simon. So Baba, okay. So I'm a rapist. I'm an abusive man, and I'm also a killer.
So my character is I'm an 18-year-old matriculant who gets raped, and only to find out that my dad is also a rapist.
We're not perpetuating the idea of violence.
It usually happens to girls our age.
It's based to gender-based violence.
My age sort of corresponds to my character's age, so I could relate a lot.
We experience them each and every day.
The message we're portraying, or the message we're giving out to the public, is very important, and we're trying to raise awareness on gender-based violence.
The killing, it's not acceptable.
Baba mkelu fudi minyang, ebe tiwa so se